an insane hunt. He snuck in like less than 5 yards. So happy right now. Let's go, Conley! Nice job. And you want to try and stay right against that bone.